All right, let's move on to another news coming in where 6 days after 21-year-old Nikita Tomar was shot dead in broad daylight in Faridabad, the anger over the murder continues. Today, locals in Ballabgarh blocked the national highway demanding justice for Nikita Tomar, who was shot dead on the 26th of October. Now, a Mahapanchayat has also been called by people of 36 communities there in Ballabgarh demanding fast-track probe and the strict punishment to the accused. Let's listen into a few reactions before we go across for a live update.
घटना हुई है जिसकी जितनी निंदा की जाए उतनी कम है, क्योंकि ये विषय लव जिहाद के साथ जोड़ करके देखा जा रहा है। लव जिहाद वाला विषय भी इसके ऊपर बाकायदा विचार चल रहा है और केंद्रीय स्तर पर भी और प्रदेश स्तर पर भी हम इसको बहुत गंभीरता से ले रहे हैं और इस प्रकार की घटनाएं इन चीज की पुनरावृत्ति न हो, इसके लिए विचार कर रहे हैं।
पंचायत चल रही थी, कुछ शरारती बच्चे जाकर के रोड के ऊपर आए थे जिनको हमारे से पहले से ड्यूटी डिप्लॉय थी और उनको मौके पर ही हटा दिया गया।
सर, कुछ लोगों को हिरासत में भी लिया गया या सर सबको हटा दिया?
अभी पूर्ण रूप से सारा चेक करने लग रहे हैं, उसके बाद आपको डिटेल बाइट बाद में दी जाएगी।
कुछ लोग सर जो जिन लोगों को यहाँ से हटाया था उनको हिरासत में लिया या सर अभी किसी को?
अभी ये कहना ठीक नहीं, क्योंकि अभी आपके सामने व्यवस्था में लगे हुए हैं, सारी फोर्स को इकट्ठा करके देखेंगे, पता करेंगे। डिफरेंट टीम काम कर रही है, उन टीमों से एक बार बात करके देखा जाएगा।
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल कि हुआ क्या था यहाँ पे, क्या करने के लिए कुछ लोग यहाँ पे पहुंचे थे?
अभी उनसे पूछताछ करके लोगों से पता लगेगा। उसके लोग रोड पे आए थे, रोड पे आते उनको हटा दिया गया था।
Going across to Shivani, my colleague who is joining us live this hour, because Shivani, what happened today as far as the SIT is concerned? It was formed, 3 arrests that have been taken place, the murder weapon that has been recovered. What was today's protest all about?
Let me tell you, I'm present right at the place where a few moments ago lathi charge took place and some people tried to vandalize shops, vandalize vehicles. Stone pelting was also seen here. We can see this place is the Faridabad highway, Ballabgarh Faridabad highway. This is the place where the Mahapanchayat has been called today, and they demand justice for Nikita Tomar, who was murdered on 26th of October in Ballabgarh here. The condition is still not completely at peace. The forces are deployed here. This is the highway which was blocked by the people here a while ago, and they were demanding justice for Nikita. And this is the place where around 200 meters away, the Mahapanchayat has been called, and 36 communities are holding the Mahapanchayat together. There are relatives from Nikita's relatives are also there, and they are also demanding justice for Nikita. There were attempts to vandalize vehicles here. You can see the police, Haryana police is deployed here in large numbers. Rapid action force is also here, and a number of boys who tried to vandalize the vehicles and pelted stones have been taken into custody by the police. And the authorities are here to check if further tension is not created in the area. But let me tell you, the people who are holding the panchayat inside, they are quite angry, outraged, and they demand fast-track court, and the fast-track, the matter should be resolved in the fast-track court, and soon. They say that they really want the murderers of Nikita to be hanged. This kind of demand is being raised in the Mahapanchayat, where 36 communities have come together to hold the Mahapanchayat and to demand justice for Nikita. And the condition here is still not under control. Though the police authorities are there, we can see that people in between are coming out and trying to disturb the peace, and they are trying to block the highway, which you can see behind me. The Ballabgarh Faridabad highway, which is right here. On one side, the highway is being blocked. The attempts were made to block the highway. On the other side, the Mahapanchayat is being conducted, and the police force is deployed here. And like 3 rounds have been seen.
So the situation is still tense there. Shivani is getting us that live update from Ballabgarh, the national highway there that had been blocked, and the Mahapanchayat which is underway. But The assurances that have been given on part of the state government of Haryana that they are looking into the matter, the Mahapanchayat that has been called in, they want the matter to be fast-tracked and justice be given to Nikita Tomar and her family. Thanks very much, Shivani, for the update. We'll be coming back to you for more.